All right. Thank you, Adam. All right, call your next witness.
I don't think it's an overstatement to say that this witness, which story you believe, if you're a juror, a member, is the case. It's all this case. If you're just joining us or want a little recap, July 24th, 2018, after the murder, which happened on July 4th, he walks in, the boyfriend walks into the police and says, hey, you guys got to hear this. Melody told me that Gary was in the burn pile at 2 a.m. We were on the phone, and I told her, stop talking. Now, fast forward to the trial, he's saying, oh, no, I was, that happened later. That happened after Gary showed up and he was in the burn pile. I didn't mean to do that, and I was just scared I was going to get arrested. So which story do you believe? Eric Schwartzreich is with us. Eric, what do you believe?
Ted, what I believe is that what we just saw is an interesting paradox. This is a state witness. The state decided to call this witness. Understand why the prosecutors called this witness, because as you just said, Ted, that statement that Melody said that the husband is in the burn pile. But what you saw, the paradox here, or the rabbit hole that we've gone in, there was a redirect by the prosecution, by the state, that seemed more like a cross-examination should have been, because the prosecution became a little unhinged. They were bothered by that cross-examination, by buying back the farm, if you will, by buying back the statement. Listen, this witness, this lover, this paramour, this mister, this mistress, he's certainly in a hard place. It's apparent he doesn't want to be part of this. It's apparent that he wants to testify favorably for Melody. He does have that statement. He did try to make the recordings, but that is more right now, more of a defense witness. To answer your question, Ted, who do I believe? Don't know if that matters. What matters is who the jury believes, but reasonable doubt can come from the evidence, a conflict in the evidence, a lack of the evidence, or which story do you believe? If you're not sure and you take into the witness credibility, who's more credible, what's credible, if you're not sure and you don't know, that's a reasonable doubt. Reasonable doubt can spell a not guilty. So what the defense did was effective, and you can see the prosecution with that redirect examination, it was like they were doing a cross of a defense witness. They became unhinged.
Yeah, they were not happy with their witness. Let's get a break. When we come back.